In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view USD bank account details on Payoneer. If you're new to Payoneer or just need a quick refresher, I'll be guiding you step by step through this process to ensure you can easily navigate and retrieve your banking information. Let's dive right into it. First, open up your preferred internet browser. It could be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you're comfortable with. Once you've opened your browser, head over to the search bar, type in Payoneer, and press Enter. You should see Payoneer's official website appear at the top of your search results. Click on this link to proceed. Upon reaching the main page of Payoneer's website, you'll notice a login or sign-in option in the top right-hand corner. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Go ahead and input your username and password to log in. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, make sure you have your phone handy to receive a verification code. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by your account dashboard. On this interface, take a look at the main menu, where you'll find various tabs serving different functionalities. What we want here is the Get Paid tab, so locate it in the menu and click on it. This tab is your one-stop destination to manage all your incoming payments and account details. Under the Get Paid tab, a drop-down menu will appear, displaying a set of options. Here, you'll want to select Receiving Accounts. Clicking on this option will lead you to Personal Payment Details and Accounts segment, especially the information about the account to which you receive funds. In this section, you should be able to see a list of your receiving accounts. Focus on your USD receiving account, which is usually the method you'd use for transactions in US dollars. Click on it to view more details. Here's an important note. Make sure your USD account status is marked as approved. If it's not approved, the account might appear under a pending status. In that case, you'll need to contact Payoneer support for assistance before proceeding further. Once your account is confirmed to be approved, you'll have full access to all the details of your bank account. This includes essential information such as the bank name, bank address, routing or ABA number, and your account number. These details are crucial, especially if you need to share them with clients who wish to make deposits to your account. And there you have it. You have successfully navigated through Payoneer's platform and can now confidently view and share your USD bank account details with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment or reach out for assistance. Happy transacting!